everyone. Today I thought of sharing my OCD journey, I would say, like my medications and all, how I detected this thing and all, since when I have been facing this, and what are the issues that I face, the medications and all. Maybe I'll start a series on this, on how to cope up with it, even what are the side effects. Like, you start pulling your hair unnecessarily, like you have no idea. Sometimes I don't even know whether to laugh or to get annoyed at how my brain works. Like, I can literally be having a completely normal day, and suddenly my brain will decide that this one completely random thought is now the most important thing in the world. And I know it's probably unnecessary. I know I'm overthinking. But somehow my brain is like, no, we are not moving on from this yet. We are going to sit here and analyze it from every possible angle until we are completely exhausted. And this thing will start giving me anxiety. Like, okay, the curtain is not well kept, okay. Even though it is, my brain will constantly pinch me. Like, it will send that signal, go and put the curtain on its place, even though it is. And if I try to ignore it, my anxiety level will be at its peak. What's happening while it's happening? I will be sitting there thinking, girl, you know that this is your OCD doing this thing, so why are we still entertaining it? And somehow that awareness doesn't magically switch it off, you know. Also, people sometimes think OCD is just being like clean and organized, cleaning your hand every time, don't not touching because of this contamination and all. Like, it start giving me anxiety. Like, okay, the curtain is not well kept, okay. Even that signal, go and put the curtain on it. The reading reassurance or feeling like you haven't done something properly, even when you literally have done it. In my second video, I guess, if you have seen, I stood up just to make the curtain proper. Even though it was at its place, I just stood up just to do it. I don't know why, because it was triggering me. And if I ignored that, my anxiety will be at its peak, my heart will start beating, and I don't know what will happen next, because that will be the same thought running. It's still frustrating, obviously, but sometimes you just have to laugh a little, because otherwise you will spend your whole day arguing with your thoughts that nobody else can even see. Chair which is organized in a very well manner, okay. I will stand up. I don't know, something in my brain, it will click, and I will stand up and put it at a point until and unless I hear a sound from my inside, like, okay, it's done, it's done. Then I will feel relaxed. Otherwise, my anxiety will be at its peak. My heart will start racing, and I don't know how to stop it. I'm under medications now, but I feel like, yeah, the medicines are working, but it needs importance. You know, OCD doesn't mean you need only cleanliness, your fear of contamination and all. OCD has different types.
And I feel like as an MBBS student, addressing such an issue is really important because it will help other people to know their conditions, though the people who hide it, maybe because of the fear of judgment and all.
I feel like maybe after sharing my story, most of you will get the courage to share your story, and I will feel lucky enough, that I have been able to motivate some of you to address your problem. And yeah, I'm under medication and they really do work, but there are people who fear of being judged, you shouldn't be, because if this is your issue, you should address this. And after this video, I want people to address their problems, to address not only about OCD and all, to share their problems, so that in real life people get motivated to think about themselves, to think about the issues they are facing, and to stand up for themselves. Mostly, OCD has many types, like mine is around, I don't know, there are many types. I will explain that in other videos. But OCD, a life of a person with OCD is really tough, to be honest. Your brain is in a constant mood of thinking, oh, this is not right, this is not right, maybe I should place this like this, maybe the table should be little bit bent or something, and all like this. So yeah, That's all for today. I hope you loved this session and we'll continue this. Hit the like button and subscribe. Bye bye. Thank you.